2012 Mini Cooper. Keeps draining the battery overnight. Not even overnight, couple of hours. I come here in the back, the fuel pump, it keeps running. That's 100% what caused the draw. I opened both sides and look, somebody worked here. It looks like they bypassed it. That's what, this car must have been not starting and they jumped it straight instead of fixing it the right way, and now it's causing another issue. Drain the battery. Fix one problem, cause the other. Okay, now I gotta see what the hell they ran this wire to. Yeah, they definitely put this wire. The original wire is here somewhere. Now I'm gonna open the fuse box and see what's causing this. I don't see no fuel pump module around here. Wow. Well, I'm disconnecting this for now. There you go. The pump, wow, even the wire is so hot. Oh boy. Now this thing is gonna short out on me. Just put it away here. Go underneath. Check this wire. See the wire back here? This is that wire. Now I gotta see where did they put it. Probably here somewhere. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is that wire. Oh boy. Oh, this might go in the front too. Maybe in the front. Probably got it from the fuse box here in the front. Yep. Wow. This is what the hell. This is what they got it for. Okay. Okay. No more draining issues. Now I gotta fix it the right way, not this way. Okay, I just installed the new fuse box, used but new. And I'm gonna connect the original wire back in and the car should start. Let me put this one down. Okay, and the wire's in. Now I'm gonna try getting it to start. The car starts. The car starts. So it was the fuse box. Now if I disconnect this wire, it's gonna shut off. Couple of seconds and off. Okay. So I'm gonna connect it back on. Now it should start with no problem. Problem solved. This wire we don't need no more. So now I'm gonna go ahead and solder in this wire, remove it from the front, close this up. Now I'm getting another issue. The key won't come out. It's not releasing the key. I'm gonna connect the computer, reset whatever store codes it has in there, and see if it will. I managed to get the key out, and this clicking on its own without even putting the key in. Look, it just keeps clicking. It did the same thing with the other fuse box. Okay, it's working. Problem solved. It was the fuse box, and that's about it.